In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank to QuickBooks Online Payroll to pay taxes and employees. By the end, you'll have your bank linked so payroll, direct deposits, and tax payments can be processed smoothly from within QuickBooks. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account and opening Payroll. From there, head to Settings. In the Payroll Settings area, look for the section labeled Bank Accounts. This is where you'll link the checking account that will fund employee pay and tax payments. Choose Edit or click the small pencil icon to begin. Before you connect, gather your company and bank details. You'll be prompted to enter your business information, such as your legal business name and address. Make sure what you enter matches what your bank has on file to avoid delays with verification or compliance checks. If you see fields for identification numbers, enter them exactly as they appear on official documents. Next, search for your bank by name. If your bank appears in the list, you can usually connect instantly by signing in with your online banking username and password. You may be asked to complete a security step, like a code sent to your phone or app. Be sure you have the authority on the bank account to allow payroll debits and tax payments. Once authenticated, choose the correct checking account to link. If your bank isn't listed, select the option to enter bank info manually. Carefully type your routing number and account number. Double check each digit, even a small typo can block payroll and tax payments. Confirm you're using a checking account that allows ACH debits, then save. Some banks require an extra verification step. QuickBooks may complete this instantly, or you might see two small test deposits appear in your bank within 1 to 2 business days. When they arrive, return to QuickBooks, enter the exact amounts, and confirm. Hold off on running payroll or e-paying taxes until you see the account marked as verified. Once verified, make sure transactions post to the right place in your books. Confirm the linked payroll bank account is selected for direct deposit and tax payments. Review your payroll expense and liability mapping so wages, employer taxes, and withholdings land in the correct accounts on your profit and loss and balance sheet. If anything looks off, adjust the mappings and payroll settings or consult your accountant. That's it. Keep your bank login secure, update the connection if you change accounts, and if you encounter errors, check for name mismatches, permissions, or expired security codes. You're now ready to run payroll and pay taxes confidently from QuickBooks Online.